Alright, boom, it's your boy Izzy. We're back today. Check your Crep TV. And today we're just going to be asking basic questions, public interview with the people that come into the shop. Let's get into it. Alright, boom, we're outside today, outside the shop. I'm going to ask you a couple questions, yeah? But first of all, what's your name?
Hiba.
Cool, nice to meet you. I just want to say I like your fit, yeah? But my first question for you today is, where do you usually buy your clothes?
A bit of everywhere. The boots are from Zara. This is PLT. I think this is PLT as well. But it depends. It depends on trainers, clothes, bags. A bit of everywhere.
Everything, yeah? I think personally you should be shopping at King's Lux Italia for your latest garms, shoes. We got everything there. We even do shoe cleaning as well. If your shoes ever looking scruffy, looking dirty, you know, come to the shop, man. We look after you, get me? Say like, what would you say your budget, like price ranges?
For trainers?
Yeah, trainers or even clothes.
For trainers, I would go maximum 300. For clothes, I would go for 1,000.
Clothes 1,000. Wow, okay, 1,000. So how often would you say you buy clothes then?
How often? All the time.
So you're money.
All the time. So if you go through here, you will see the shop most of the time in town.
That means you got big drip, you get me?
Alhamdulillah.
Boom, it's your boy Izzy. Outside today. Who are you, bro?
Yeah, it's your boy Chi Black, you know, representing Crep Refresh at King Lux.
The sick boss, sticking out like a traffic cone, bro. But drip wise though, separately, man. What you got on today, man?
Dude, I just got G-Star jacket, so orange hoodie. I'm not gonna tell you what it is though, but if you want to cop one, you can cop it from inside the store, King Lux. That's how it is.
Serious stuff, man. Big drip. Couple questions for you today, though. What would you say your budget is?
It varies. It depends on what I want to buy or what I want to wear, really. If I see something that I like, yeah, I'll just cop it. If it's something I don't like it, I don't cop it, but it varies, anything from £100 to a couple of hundred.
Would you say this is your main style?
I got different styles, I try not to follow fashion. I try and, be different. I just wear what I feel like wearing, really. And if I feel comfortable in it, then I'm busting it.
Versatile, man, versatile. I like it though, but I was going to ask you a couple questions about your crepes.
Well, I got KD9s on, white and red, limited edition. It's just, something I felt like wearing today. I got quite a few crepes, but I don't really wear them that much. But today I felt like wearing the KDs, hence I'm busting the KDs. Unfortunately, you can't see it though, unless I kick my feet up.
Serious, but yeah, man, that's a wrap, man.